Poodle ah. Kavapu ah. I also want to buy dog leh. That day I go and see the dog eh. Oh, I show you. That day I went to see a sausage dog, you know. Then I was like, I asked my husband say can buy. Then I was like, can buy really? You see so cute leh. Cute oh. Yeah, so cute oh. My husband say if I buy, right, then I must retire. He said, I stay at home and take care of the dog. I said, okay, I can. Ah, don't want. So dirty, you see the floor. Okay, come. The jokes aside. When I retire, I'll buy 3 dogs. That's my goal. When I retire, no money to feed the dog also. Okay, come. Everybody, page 33. Let's practice our last half an hour. I chose this paper because I know I see a lot of your favorites. Da 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 da. And then there's a lot of trigo lah. Okay, I hopefully can finish, but I don't think I can. Let's start with the first one, okay? Guys, bring in the 2. Why is the 2 outside? So weird. Okay, bring in the 2. This is differentiation, huh? You all don't do integration, huh? Alright. Okay, there's a reason why I don't want to spend the whole lesson on integration. Then you're preparing for your WA2, you all will forget how to differentiate. Okay, please start. Bring in the 2, okay? So go and rewrite the 2 first. So y equals to ln. Oh, this one Jaden got bring ah. Seems like your mother only likes the textbook. Better bring next week I tell you she don't want to do practice. She don't have WA2, she no need to do WA2. Okay. Then you go home, then the mother call me. I heard you make jokes about me. Oh yes. Paradigm has something for your mothers. Yeah, so it's just a card. Yeah, a card for you in case you don't know how to talk to your parents. There are some instructions and questions you can ask your parents. And then if you have a heartfelt note that you're too shy because we are all Asians, right? You can write it down, okay? I know you all won't do it one lah, y'all. Okay, take one each, okay? Yeah, the question's a bit okay, take one. I don't need. I don't communicate with my mother. You all go ahead and communicate with your mothers. And I know what to talk to her. I don't need prompts. I'm a good daughter. Okay, take one, yeah? Go and film and then show entertain me next week, okay? What's a dream that you had when you were at my age? Me? I always wanted to be an air stewardess. Yeah. And then my father very bad. He said that if you want to be air stewardess, you tell me earlier, then I don't need to spend money and send you to studies. Very rude, right? He despised the career. I have reprimanded him, don't worry. Okay, can you all please differentiate this as per normal, okay? Alright, let's start differentiating. Let's see whether Gavin still remember how to differentiate. Gavin, how do you differentiate ln x? Die already. Forget already, right? After WA2 all throw away, right? How do you differentiate ln x? Just copy your head, copy. Copy is exponential. Yeah. Xavier, how do you differentiate ln x? How do you differentiate ln x? Yes, understand or not? See, forget, right? Very normal, okay? After that, when you're preparing for prelim, the thing that I hear the most is, I forgot what is the differentiation. Yeah, then I will say, you go and watch all the video. I'm not going to help you, okay? Yeah, so please don't forget. Okay, Gavin, help me differentiate this. Okay, step by step. 1 over 2 minus 8x. But don't forget to times. Correct. Okay, so we all have, everybody, minus 8 over 2 minus 8x. No need to simplify. Don't do funny things, okay? Everybody, don't do funny things, all right? Okay, Janice, I have faith in you, okay? Janice, how do you tell, right, whether y is increasing or decreasing? Let's say increasing, right? That means my dy dx must be what? Thank you. CA, people first lesson already know, you all don't tell me stupid things. Okay, so increasing means dy dx more than 0, correct? Coco, dy dx less than 0 will be what? Yes. Equal 0 is for what? Stationary, don't mix up, not maxima, minima for the more than, less than, I tell you many times already, Okay, so how do I do this? Guys, this is an explain question, right? Explain, right, will be what though? That means it's the same as they ask you to show, correct or not? So what you have here is that, Jaden, what's the criteria given in the question? They gave you a criteria for X. X is? Okay, everybody write down. For X less than minus half. So we're going to use calculator. Okay, we're going to use calculator, but we can still show the presentation. Okay, so what I want to do is, can Ethel give me a number? See, I write in pencil. Can see, right? Ethel, give me a number that is smaller than negative. Give me a nice number that's smaller than negative half. Yeah. Yeah. So I'll try to just choose that. Easy to understand? Okay? Then now, right, I have to peel up step by step. So I'm going to understand what is 8x first. Okay, everybody. If x is equals to minus 1, right? Myra, what is 8x? Minus 8, right? Correct? So everybody, do you all agree with me is less than 0? Correct, right? So this is what you all write down. Then after that, right, you help me to see lah. 2 minus 8x, right, will be what though? Just imagine, okay? Because just now she said that, let's say we sub in, right? Let's say we put in, okay? We put in this one, 2 minus 8 times minus 1. What do you get, Jaden, what do you get? Minus? You can press the calculator. Yes. What is it? It's not minus? Huh? 18 Yeah. My calculator spoiled, I think. Yeah, correct. So guys, if it's 10, right, what do I put over here, Jaden? Less than 0 or more than 0? More than 0, okay? Very nice. Alicia, you cannot sabo me. I purposely want to hide her one so that I can scold him. Okay. She called me out, so bad. Okay, so we got this part here already, right? Guys, what does more than 0 mean? More than 0 means that it is positive. So this is positive, right? So Jaden, this is positive or negative, the minus 8? So negative divided by positive is? Correct. So everybody, just help me to copy this whole thing and then write down that this thing is less than 0. Then you're not done, okay? Because you must write down that dy dx is less than 0 first. Okay? Once dy dx is less than 0, right? Then you tell me that y is decreasing. Can we understand that or not? I thought you all do. How come because I do? Okay, can everybody understand? Okay, next page. Teresa, Kaylin, very hot now. Okay, later. Y'all okay, y'all. It's like so stuffy. Later the whole class pain. Okay, later call y'all adjust. Only got 25 minutes, so don't worry. Okay, guys, come. Ready? Let's do the next part here. Guys, before we start, okay? Gavin, how do I differentiate? Can you all join me first? Okay, Gavin, help me differentiate sine. What do you get? Cosine. Okay, Kaylin, help me differentiate sine power 5, 6x. Okay, please join me for this. Everybody, recap, okay? Kaylin, what do you do first? You rewrite first, right? How do you rewrite this? Sine 6x, whole thing power 5. Very good. Okay, Ethel, remember, what's the order of your differentiation? Number 1, power. After that? After that? Yes, correct. Power, trigo, angle. So you must make sure you go in this order. You don't make mistake. Of course, if you got no power, then you just do trigo and angle. Correct or not? Okay, so Killing, back to you. How do you do power first? Let's go. Power will be 5. Whole thing power? Correct. Inside got change or not? No, very nice. So sine 6x, whole thing power 4. So this is my power. Alright? Okay, trigo now. Differentiate cosine, differentiate sine gives me cosine what? Correct. Last one, times? Yes. Can you all see or not? The angle does not change. I do not want to repeat this. Power, trigo, angle. How often is this going to come out in WA? 100%. If you're going to be tested on differentiation trigonometry. Okay? Can So power, trigo, angle. Okay, please take your time Help me to differentiate. Guys, this question can write dy dx or not? Cannot, because it's fx and f prime x. But it's the same thing, okay? So go and do your f prime x. Can I give your 1 minute? Okay, the 1/3 just copy, very easy, okay? Okay, 1 minute, let's go. You all no need to write. Here already got I love you already. You all can just circle arrow point if you don't want to write. Okay, can Okay. Xavier, copy 1/3. Okay. So you will rewrite this, right? How will you rewrite this, Xavier? Cosine 2x whole thing power. No, just rewrite first. Cosine 2x whole thing power. Okay, Okay, what do you do first? You do power trigo angle. Okay, what's the first thing you do? 3 and then cosine 2x power. Okay, then trigo. Negative sine what? 2x, right? Good job. Then times. Correct. Then after that, Jaden can finish up the next one. Easy one. How do you differentiate cosine 2x? Oh, what's that? Minus what? Okay, continue. Minus. Again, minus. Yeah, correct. Okay. So guys, can we simplify this? All right. Let's simplify this together. You cannot leave your final answer as this. Am I clear? Cannot, Okay, you're not allowed to do so. So what I have from here is 1/3 times 3. What's 1/3 times 3? It's just 1, right? But there's a 2 here. So everybody, this is 2 minus 2. Y'all got that? Minus 2, right? Then after that here is, can you write down nicely? This is cosine square 2x sine 2x. Then after that, plus 2 sine 2x. Okay? Everybody okay? Cannot leave your answer like this, okay? Then guys, oh my god, they want me to do this. How do I do it like that? So now what happens here is that, right? I want you all to be careful. Check the angle first. Is the angle already the same or not? So don't go and open up with your double angle. Am I clear? Keep it there. So what is the irritating thing here? This one? This one should go away, correct or not? This one should change, correct or not? How do you change cosine square to sine square? Okay, you took out a formula sheet, right? Okay, you help us? Okay, this is your, okay, don't worry, I show you all. So this is your first identity, which is here, this part here. Okay, our first group. So, Carissa, how do you change this? Cosine square becomes 1? Yeah, okay, everybody change yourself, can or not? So minus 2, then this one here is 1 minus sine square 2x, yeah? Then here is sine 2x again. Then plus, sure can like remove something one. Then after that, you can get your cube ready. Can you all please try that? Cannot get, let me know, okay? Expensive. Expensive, I keep my pocket. Ini Monday last week. We gotta check. Can't remember. But I can say the answer key. We haven't done this though. You did this already, Oh, when? Huh? No leh. No leh. Oh, homework. Oh, really? Oh, thank you. Oh, so you did already, Okay, then while waiting for me, you can do others. Then you can just check answer, okay? Yeah, save time. Huh? Oh, your sine 2x gone, Yeah. See, This one, right? This one instead like that, right? You can do. Is it easy? then you bring. What's the so what you should do is you bring this. Like that. You got it? Okay, ah? Anyone needs help? Anyone cannot get Myra, okay? Can ah? That idea. Can show? Okay, so how do you open up this one, guys? -2 times this, right? So that is your, so we times like that, right? So this is -2 sine 2x. You all see that? Then after that, how your times? The next one will be this times this times this. Gavin, what do I get for the blue one though? Plus 2 sine cube 2x, right? Then plus this one here. Okay, so Myra, what do you get for the final answer? It's just 2 sine cube 2x, right? Yeah. Did they ask you to write down what is A? They never. So you are fine until here already. Can we understand? Xavier, got it? Jaden, you got it? Jaden, try yourself. Don't keep copying, okay? Alright. Coco, okay? Can Janice, okay? Okay, perfect. Well done. Okay, guys. This one, have fun, everybody. Find the exact value. I warn you all first, there's search going on. Okay? But what mode should your calculator be in? Radian. Can you all change radian mode, please? Okay? Guys, I call you all bye. Guys, gradient of what? Normal, huh? So you must find gradient of tangent first. Okay? Fine. Anyway, you all know already, right? Because your gradient is this one. So you can put down over here like however you want to write down, but your f prime x, right, is your dy dx. So your dy dx is 2 sine cube 2x. How do you press this in the calculator? You must press like that. So sine 2 times pi over 8, that's pi over 4, whole thing power 3. Can we understand this? Okay, those of you who weren't here when I was doing Trigo, right? You all can join me a little bit, okay? I will have Jaden help me. Jaden, can help me change to radian mode? Change ready? Okay, help me to press. Don't press the whole thing one shot, everybody. Okay, press this first, Jaden. What do you get? Is it ugly? Okay, don't worry if it's ugly, right? Okay, everybody press with me, okay? You got ugly answer, right? How do you turn this, right, into a nice answer? Jaden, can you help us? How do you turn this into a nice answer? You will? Okay, everybody square it on your calculator. Those of you who are new. You all square it already? Okay, what do you all get when you all square it? Half, right? So that means inside your bracket is what? 1 over? 1 over square root 2. Well done. Okay, so this is what I always teach my Sec 3s and Sec 4s for A Math, right? Is that I don't want you all to memorize things one. Alright? That's my goal, okay? If you don't memorize, I'll tell you don't memorize. I want to reduce your brain space, okay? Okay, okay, yeah? Okay, everybody, okay, so let's cube it now, everybody. How do I cube this though? So what I have here is that if I'm going to cube it, right? So this one is 2, right? Then I have, okay, so I have, how do I cube this, everybody? So 1 over, right? Then I got square root 2 and then I cube the square root 2, correct? How do I do this if they want it in exact? How do I do that, guys? So you can see this way. Square root 2, there's many ways to show it, okay? I'm even perfectly fine with you just doing this. Correct or not? Because 1 cube is still 1 ma. Correct or not? Okay? Then now you can bring in the 2 already. So 2 over this one. Okay? No problem. Nothing wrong with this at all. Are we okay? Can Okay, but Carissa, this is the gradient of my what? Tangent, right? How to find gradient of normal? Yeah, correct. So everybody, all we need to do is -1 divided by this guy. Okay? You cannot press calculator because the moment you press, gone. It becomes not exact anymore. So how do I do this the primary school way, Jaden? -1. Change the divide to times. Then the second fraction you will like flip around like that, right? Yeah. So everybody, this will be my final answer, lor. Just -1 this over this. Then this will be my answer already. Can we understand the logic here? Easy? Correct? Yeah, that's how y'all do it, okay? What did y'all get though? If you key the whole thing, what will you get? Wait, I check. Negative root 2 cube over 2. Yeah. Is there a negative? Yeah, have, right? Yeah. Okay, so some of y'all, right? Y'all didn't do this way, like y'all never do side by side like that, right? Okay, you're lucky if you manage to key everything, right, and you still can get a nicer. But I don't really like that because if let's say I want to set a scary question, I won't let you be able to just use a calculator all the way one. So always peel out piece by piece. Are we okay with that? Okay? Can Okay, next page. So if those of you who keyed, right, you will also get negative root 2 lah. It's one of the possible answers also. Can Okay, Mara, you okay? You look angry today. I'll let Elizabeth know. Okay, come. Can you all do question 3? When differentiate properly, okay? How about might as well we do question 4 first since we are at 3 go. Okay, let's do question 4. Okay, Kaden can do this. Don't worry, Kaden. You can do it. Question 4, yeah? Okay, guys, this one also radiant mode, but I want to, the reason why this question, right, I asked you to do is because of this part. Can you highlight this part here? This is the most irritating thing of trigonometry, the range. But I don't think you'll have problems differentiating, Okay, Jaden can tell me what do you get for the differentiation?
Half sine half x plus half cosine.
Okay, half sine half x plus half cosine half x. Thanks, Jaden. Well done. Okay. Coco, what do you understand about stationary point? Thank God, only one. Thank you. Okay. Coco, what do you understand about stationary point? Correct. Okay. I'm a very controlling person, so I want to see this in your paper before you write this line. All right. Because sometimes you'll do halfway, you're just confused lah. All right. How do I solve this? Okay. When you have sine and cosine, right, guys, what's the thing that you all need to do? Move it one side each. So this one here equals negative of this one. Okay. Kaylee, what will you do first? There's a number you can remove. What will you remove? Divide both sides by? Correct. So when you divide both sides by half, it will be this equals to negative this one here. Okay? Okay. Carissa, what will I do next? I will divide both sides by... Yes. Correct. So that it becomes sine over cosine? Yes. So she divide both sides by cosine. Alright. You said sine, Okay, I will always aim when I see cosine and sine no powers one I just make it tangent correct already. Sure can one. Okay? So now from here, Carissa, what will you get? Tangent half x equals -1. Correct. Okay? Yeah, up to here, are we all good, happy? What's going on? Can, right? Okay? Can, Oh, You can do this? Okay. Oh, okay, it's okay, don't worry. Is it because of the negative signs? I see. Okay, can you all try to solve? Do your standard. Oh, this one don't have power this one. You know what I mean? There's no power in it. It's not like cosine cube, cosine square, so you only do triple angle, no power. Yeah. Okay, Kaylin, come. Can you guide me for the... Okay, so guys, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to let this thing be alpha. Okay? Alpha is my basic angle. Alright? So, Kaylin, how do I find alpha? Tangent inverse? 1, correct. Okay, help me press calculator. But this will be in radian mode, okay? Everybody give me in radian mode. Can you all press radian mode? Jaden, what do you get? Tangent inverse 1. Okay, everybody can you all press together. I want you all to learn how to... Ugly, right? No, cannot square. This one is in terms of pi. So your press calculator, you divide by pi. Okay? Divide by pi, what happens? Yeah. Correct. So you still agree? Still agree? Tangent inverse 1? No need. Wait. Guys, your press tangent inverse 1 again. Cannot let your calculator? It can what? But can double. Okay, what do you get when you divide? 1/4, right? So what's the exact, everybody? 1/4 pi lah. Understand or not? That's how you do exact. So 2 ways to get your exact answer for trigonometry. If it's special angles, okay, and how do y'all tell the difference? Come, let me help y'all. Some of y'all were happily squaring it. Where's the marker? So, right, you see, let's say tangent 30, right? This is considered a special angles. This kind, you square, okay? If you are finding the angle and you do inverse, right? Your answer must be in terms of pi. So you divide by pi. You see the difference? Alright? So when you are pressing the angle inside, you can square it to get the surds. But when you are solving for the angle in terms of pi, so divide by pi, okay? Okay, so now we got 1/4 pi. Are we done with this? Okay, now right, what we're going to do is we do our quadrants. Okay, Coco, which quadrant is this though? Tangent is negative. So which quadrant is this? Okay, ASTC, right? Yeah. So ASTC. Which quadrant are your tangents positive? First and third, right? So tangent negative will be opposite, no? So it is second and fourth. Okay, everybody, let's put this down first. Second and fourth. Okay, can we do this together? Okay, are y'all ready? So this part is the problem, okay? I just do as per normal first. Are y'all ready? So what I have is half x, okay, equals to, guys, how to find second quadrant? Carissa, how do you find second quadrant? You take pi minus the basic angle. Correct, no? 1/4 pi. Yu Hong, how do you find the fourth quadrant? You take 2 pi minus 1/4. So don't press the pi. Okay? So the first one is what? The first one is pi. I know. I show you all the trick later. Yeah. Okay? So from here, right? This one here, right? This is 3/4 pi. Okay? 3/4 pi. This one is, what's 2 minus 1/4? 2 minus 1/4, is 7 pi over 4 pi. Okay? So guys, we continue, we stop here first, okay? Okay, I want you all to do something. So now, right, you're finding x, do you all agree with me? Correct, right? You're finding x, right? But I want you all to look at the range. Do you realize, why is it negative pi? You all saw that? Until 0 only. Means what though? But the quadrants are still the same. So now my answers are too big. Do you agree with me? So normally I want bigger, I plus 360. I plus 2 pi, correct or not? Now I want smaller. What do? I minus, correct. So everybody, can we go and minus? So minus 2 pi here, minus 2 pi here. This will automatically give you the other direction. I don't need to go and draw funny things one. Understand or not? So I'm still in my second and fourth quadrant, but I'm going backwards, that's all. Make sense, right? Okay, so we press calculator. So now what I have here, So my half x, right, is actually equals to how much? 3/4 minus 2. That is minus 5 pi over 4. Okay, then the other one, 7 over 4 divided by minus 2. So irritating. 7 over 4 minus 2. So this is minus pi over 4. Are we happy with this? So don't need to worry about how to draw 4 quotient. I go backwards where I stop. No need one. You just find your normal, your confident one. You either plus 2 pi or minus 2 pi. That's all. It will give you the correct range. Okay. So how to find x, Janice? The whole thing must times? Correct. So this is minus 5 pi over 2. And then minus pi over 2. Then now you'll go and look at the range lah. Which one do you want? Which one you want? Correct. So then this one reject. So this one reject. This one my final answer. Are we happy what's going on? Can? Okay, so this is just what we have here. So this question important, okay? Please go and take note for this one, okay? Okay, the determining of nature can you all do yourself? Then your cam scan and let me mark next week, okay? Last week I'll give you all homework. Got only the integration part, right? Okay, can you all pass me later, okay? Can send me also. Alright, okay. Guys, I got 3 minutes. I want us to finish one last question. Then we can go off, okay? We'll change lah. Can you all finish up this one? Okay, so your homework is just to go and, those who have WA, you all practice your WA papers, okay? Coco and Janice, Janice, your WA done already, but you can go ahead and practice your differentiation still. I got all the recorded videos for the past few lessons, okay? Anything you can text me. Okay, finish up the last one. Guys, this one looks a little bit scary. I think you all go and open up first, can? Or how will you all want to do this? I think you all open up first. Why is the dy dx so little marks though? Okay, last one for today, okay? Pass me your homework later, yeah? Just need to complete page 33 to 37, okay? Those of you who have your WA upcoming, please practice more. I won't overload you all with anything else, okay? Guys, how do we write this in a way until it's the best way to differentiate? I tell you all how we do it. Can I show you all? It's only 2 marks, right? So you can do your chain rule, then quotient, and then you cry after that. That would be like 4-5 marks worth. So what I want you all to do is I want you all to peel out the square first. Can you all take a look? So this one here, right, is just like that. E power 2x plus 1. What's that sound? Oh, it is my alarm. I got a shock. I was like, I thought it's mine. Okay, so over. Guys, how do you square this thing? What happens, Jaden, when you square this thing? E power 2x. Very good. So you know what y'all can do or not? Don't need to do until so difficult one. I show y'all. Y'all do like that. E power 2x plus 1 whole... The 1 is here, right? Plus 1 whole thing square. And then e power minus 2x. Now what rule will y'all use? What rule will y'all be using? Product. Okay, please do that nicely now. Come, everybody, let's try. Okay, do your product rule from here. Alright, I brought it up. Yeah, so you do quotient, then you go, what do you do? Oh, you split it up. Then where's the square? You're on top open wrongly. You know why? Guys, when you open up this one here, right, this is actually a plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Yeah, so don't open, don't open. You open, it's not just e power 4x plus 1, okay? Okay, Gavin can help me. I copy the pink one first. Can you help me differentiate the yellow one? Yeah. Minus 2 e power minus 2x. Thank you. Okay. Jaden, I copy the yellow one now, okay? Okay, Xavier, you help me with the differentiating the pink one. Careful when you differentiate the pink because it's a chain rule. Can see or not, Jaden? Xavier. Can, right? Okay, start from the chain rule first. 2 bracket e power 2x plus 1 whole thing power. Okay, don't forget to differentiate inside now. 2e power. Okay. Then, right, how did I teach you all how to simplify this? You all factorize, correct? Carissa, what will you factorize though? There's one bracket that is quite obvious. E power 2x plus power. Correct. So you factorize, right? Factorize means divide. So this one is gone. Then Carissa, this one left with power. Correct. Okay? Don't need to expand it, guys. You can just do like that. I show you. Minus 2e power minus 2x, right? Then times this one. Then the other side, right? Just combine these two. Guys, I got a question. What is this times this? Gone, right? Gone, huh? Correct, so that, right? Indices, right? Gone, right? Yeah. So then it's just plus 4. That's why no need to do until so difficult. So this is fine. No need to do anything else already. Happy with it? Okay? What are you supposed to do? Okay, find dy dx. Okay, to know whether we did it correctly, right? You all do part 2. Go and find your rate of change. Janice and Coco, you know how to write rate of change equation, right? Okay, perfect. Let's do that. So make sure your differentiation, right, it's not meant to kill you one. They will not ask you to do chain and then quotient one. So you got to simplify it lah. Alright. Yuhong, do you have any for me to mark inside? You just send me, okay? Everybody can understand the differentiation, yeah? Just copy, differentiate plus copy, differentiate, okay? The problem, this one 3S, oh, live in terms of E, ah. You're so torturous. Oh. Shall we do 3SF? Okay, we change to 3SF, okay? Just to speed up the whole process first. No need this part, okay? Okay, change to 3SF. Jaden, what is this though? D what over D what? Equals to how much? Are you sure?
Minus.
Yes, correct. Decreasing, children. So negative 0.5. Then the question wants me to find dx dt lah. So I already taught you all how to write this. Most of us are quite good at this. Okay, so dy dx times dx dt. I just need to find a value, right, for my dy dx. Okay, so this is negative 0.5. Then this is something times dx dt. Remember, use more decimals, okay? More significant figure, I mean. Okay, don't start wrong, yeah? Careful, the plus 1 is beside, not in the power. Later, what's your dy dx value though? Yeah. Anyone got something else? What do you get? Yeah, I got that also. You help me check. Should be 5,000 plus though. Alicia, do you get that also? Yes. So it should be something like 5961 point something. 92. Yeah, then you'll go and find your dx dt already. So your dsdt is decreasing, huh? So write your correct concluding statement, ah. Okay. I go around and check for you. Then we're done. Why you all fight? You okay? When I copy, there was still the 2. Only later I factorized it. So I can still got 还有 got copy differentiate 这个，对， then copy 这个 then differentiate 这个 yeah, correct. Differentiate inside. Yeah, correct. 3SM. That's your answer. Are you okay? Where are you? Yes, good job. Where are you? Are you starting? This one. The real change ingredient. Okay. But everything the differentiate is okay. Okay. How do I write the real change ingredient? Every time divide this with them. That is what I do. Divide this. Bring when your division box. Can you also go into division box? Are you ready? Attention. The homework now change. So divide this. Then you do always okay. Then we'll do one help one. Now see. And after that, this two one. And then alright, that's how you do it. In method and normal, we are using and this. Right? That's not true. So you research balance. Yeah, 3SM, okay? This is not the homework, this is the homework. Also, so many, okay, the integration one, you ready? The text will of course, yes. The integration one, the homework was which one though? I got like highlight one. Page 202. Gavin, you take down? Gavin and Jaden, you all take down? Or I edit the message? As in last week's one, eh? This one, Normal don't have? Oh.
Yeah.
So many?
196.
196 and 202. Gavin, take down? Thank you, children. Okay. Yeah, send me. 0.0000 something one, yeah. Page 196 and 202. Gavin, okay? Haven't do right? Okay. Huh? Okay, I add together with today's one. Then you all let me please scan the mock paper. Yeah. What is this? I just have to divide this one. You haven't find. Oh, it's same answer. Yeah, okay. Any papers to scan from your answer? Can I see? Okay, good job. Bracket 3SF, bracket 3SF. Okay, nice job. Now finish the integration already. I think you all will study for your group. Because finish your time already, yeah? Fully? Okay, see you there. You okay? You okay? Finish your study already. Yeah, it's correct. You got 29 something because you never put the bracket in front, correct? Okay, understand? Okay, David, see you there. Or I see you come to the mark. Where's the means nothing? You know nothing about another homework?
I did.
Oh, yeah, I just. Where's the yeah? There. 9 days.
7.
Then this coming week, that's what? What is everything contact one? Contact three.
From 6 to 1.
Milk that is.
And then
Then you prefer it.
I just say since the snow pretty much
How does Chij help with math? Do you need help with anything? Really? Have you been preparing your thing? Every day. What? Wednesday. Wednesday, which day is that? Thursday, Friday. Thursday. You collate some questions and do a quiz like easy. Either way, I have before.
What?
Okay, ready? Your collate some questions email. Wednesday. So last week one. Yeah.
Wednesday I have to stay back until 6.
Then you got prepare or not? I don't trust you eh.
I got
Right, Myra? Sure?
I already finished with